Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating this Widitn deep root watering tool. This item was gifted to me to do this unboxing and demo, so let's go ahead and break it out of the box and see what it looks like. I've never actually used one of these before. I'm very interested to see how it works. Last year there was a drought and it really hurt a lot of my trees that weren't looking so healthy. So I'm really hoping that I can use this to improve their health. So let's go ahead and get it out of this packaging. Just in picking it up, it is actually, it feels pretty stout here. Just from the weight, it's kind of sticky. Just you throw this stuff off to the side. This is pretty cool. Let me open this package up here. It's got some little bitty gardening tools. That's cute. Little bitty spades, little claw. That's funny. Okay, I'm not sure. Got some Teflon tape here, a fertilizer tub, seal there. Put that stuff over here. Okay, and then our spike here. So the concept here is pretty simple. You just screw this in here, screw those together like so. It's very fine thread, so it takes a little bit of screwing to get that together. Alright, so yeah, it's got a point on it here. You basically hook this up to, you can hook it up to the hose like this. Okay, or you take this off and then, let's see, there's a seal inside there. You put this on here. Let's see. Take off the cap and this should screw into here like so. That. Put that on there. And then put your seal here and put this into here. Okay. And then with that, you'll be able to have water control and put fertilizer in. Okay, so put that down in the ground, down as far as you can get it. And you can deliver deep water. So is it necessary? It could be. It depends what type of soil you have. A lot of people don't water trees very deeply. They just put a little water on the surface and that water goes up. And actually, if you really want healthy trees, you want deep water. You want to put the water down where it can't evaporate off. And if you drove this down, 20 inches in the ground and you let it water for several days down deep, that water is going to stay there for a month or so. And the deeper the water is, the deeper the roots are. And you want your root growth to go deep. So I like the concept here. I think that you can put some fertilizer, deliver that down to the deep roots. I'm just going to have to test it out and see how it works. So I've got some trees I want to try it out on, so I'm going to do that tomorrow, and then I'll take some film of that, come back and talk to you about how I think it worked. But I think the concept's pretty solid. So, all right, so I'm going to be demonstrating this little deep root waterer, and so basically hook it up to the hose, turn the hose on, okay. And it's got a little valve right here. Let's see what happens when we turn the water on. See, water shoots out from 3 different angles. The bottom, the sides. Okay, so let's see how far we can get with this thing. Just put it in the ground and that water should blast out the hole in front of it. Kind of like a hydro drill. And let's see how deep we can get this thing. Now, there's a lot of rocks in my soil. I may hit rocks on the way down, but let's see how far we can go, just twisting it. See if we can get it down there deep into the soil. let the water do its job of eating out the soil there. See if we can get it all the way in. I can feel some rocks here that I'm hitting. But I'm still going in. Past the first joint now. I got past the rock. Now I'm hitting some more rocks here. There we go, past that rock. And pretty much right down to the ground there. Didn't go in quite straight because there was some big rocks I had to go around, but this little thing right here, you can turn it on if you want water in it. You see if you have some kind of fertilizer in there, and it has different adjustments here of how you can feed that thing, fast or slow. Okay, and then this says feed, and then the rinse section is right here to rinse it out. Okay, or you don't have to use it at all. Okay, so now it's just going through there, and that's about 24 inches deep, and do that around a tree, but especially a fruit tree. I'm just right here next to this big oak tree here, but you know, it's kind of a unique device. It puts water down there, fertilizer down deep, where you could get the roots on it, and hopefully keep that down there. The deeper water is, the you know, it's better for trees to grow roots deep than shallow. So the idea here, especially for like a little fruit tree or a small tree that's just developing, not a big old tree, like an orchard, you'd want to get that water and fertilizer deep to draw them roots down and get a healthier tree. Seems like a pretty neat little device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider hitting the thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out.